Look at this thing. It's like it's been here forever.
The moss is incredible. It's being reclaimed.
There, the main cabin.
Careful, it looks unstable.
I'll check the inside. This is tough work, but it's coming along.
Yeah, piece by piece. Let's keep going.
Good progress.
Careful, it looks unstable.
I see something in here.
What is it? Don't touch anything.
The opening is clear. Let's check inside.
Right behind you. Be careful.
Watch your step. It's unstable. This is tangled tight.
I'll sort this pile.
Good. Almost clear. This place is huge.
I know. It's unsettling.
This panel is really stuck.
Try the edges. Gently.
Okay, it's moving now.
What's underneath?
Looks like old wires. Hold it steady there.
Okay, go ahead.
This is tougher than I thought.
You're almost through it.
Okay, one more pass.
Got it. Pulling now.
Careful, this whole thing could shift.
I see it. Watch your step.
Look at this panel, it's intact.
Okay, pulling it across.
Got it. Keep it straight.
It's at 48.
4 feet even. Good.
Okay, got 450 right here.
Right, I'll lock it. Next rib. This looks like 600. Check it.
600 confirmed. Moving up. I'm adding the support beams here.
Good. Don't forget the cross bracing.
Right. I'll sketch it in now.
These planks are in excellent shape. Wow, what a view. That should hold it.
Good. One more up top. Wow, this view is breathtaking.
It really is. Look at those waves.
I could stay here forever.
Me too.
That looks level now.
Great. I'll secure it. All right, keep it straight.
Got it. This section is almost done.
Great, just a bit more. Almost got it. Can you hold this pipe steady?
Got it. Go ahead.
Okay, tightening the fitting now.
Looks good from here.
All right, that's secure.
Great. On to the next one.
A little to the left.
Okay, how's that?
Perfect. Lock it in.
Done.
Looks solid.
Thanks.
Okay, it's perfectly level. Let's secure this side.
Got it. Starting on the right corner. Okay, that's in. How's the alignment?
Looks great. Let's do the other side.
Voltage looks good.
Okay, next one.
Check the ground.
Ground is secure. All right, lowering it now.
Got it. Little to the right.
Okay, push it in.
It's locked. Good job.
Let's adjust the cabin pressure.
Okay, what was it before?
It was 12.5, now it's 12.0.
Perfect. This bracket is secure now.
Good. I'm finishing the top. Check the tension.
Looks solid.
Okay, hold it steady there.
Got it. Pushing now.
Good. Now the bolts.
Ready? Okay, hold it steady right there.
Got it. Now press the top edge in.
Perfect. It's aligned now. That looks cozy.
It will be. This section looks pretty good now.
Yeah, much better. I'll finish this part.
Great. This one goes here.
Okay, I'll get another. This is a good fit.
Yeah, pack it in tight. It's so peaceful out here.
It's incredible.
I'm glad we came.
Me too.
The sea is so calm tonight.
It's mesmerizing. I could watch it forever.